All right, so while we have the door panel off, which is right there, and that video is right there, I'm taking the door mirror out. Well, I'm not going to, because this is supposed to be a 23 CRV. I mean, this thing's brand new, which I don't think she bought brand new, to be honest with you. But why is this like this? Like, look at this goo everywhere. It's like, what happened? But I don't know. Maybe it was the mirror someone popped off. Who knows? But let's get the mirror out. Well, I'm not going to take it out, but I'm going to show you how to take it out. There's 3 10 mils. 2 of them are which? Where are you? There you are. 2 10 mils right there. And a third one all the way up there, if you can see it. It's about the sun. Let's see if I can focus on that one. Yeah, you can see it. It's up there. So that's how you remove it. This one, is there a plug? It looks like there's a plug. I don't want to take this one apart. Let's see. Yeah, there's a plug. It runs down. It's probably just plugged in there. So there you have it. I'm gonna end down on that one. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.